fucking did it! I fucking did it!
Grabe tong film na to.
We did it, bro. We did it.
We shouldn't try to be the best. We should just try to be better than yesterday. We should all do projects. If you have a project, do it. And don't listen to people. Because if I had listened to people, I wouldn't be here, damn it. I wouldn't be here. If you want to do something, then do it. It doesn't matter if you fail. You still learn something. Life is made for learning. That's how we live. This year I learned about life, bro, I swear. I feel so alive.
Napakaraming tao gustong sumubok ng bago para magkaroon ng bagong resulta, bagong achievements. But most of them natatakot. Most of the people matatakot talaga if they are going to do things that they haven't done before. But sometimes, hindi mo na kailangan malaman kung ano yung mga bagay na naghihintay sa'yo. Kailangan mo lang umpisahan. It doesn't matter if you will fail. Ang importante, sumubok ka. And eventually, malalaman mo yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin. Gaya ng sinabi niya kanina, life is meant for learning. Just be better and better day by day. Makukuha din natin yung mga bagay na gusto nating makuha sa buhay.
Let's go! That one is next, Mathis. That one is next.
It's all in the mind. But we are all determined. I'm not gonna stop here. Thank you, Mathis. You made my life beautiful. I've discovered a real passion for this.